Still on peer pressure, I want to look at how can parents handle peer pressure. It's a question which many parents are asking. How do we handle our children? They are being influenced by their colleagues. One, make sure you set clear rules or boundaries and communicate your expectation to your children. I will not like this, we won't like this. As a family, we would expect you to behave this way, we would expect you to keep out of drugs, we would expect you to do 1, 2, and 3, we would expect you to have this certain sort of behavior. Then, secondly, it's important to become familiar with your child's friends and peers, as well as even the parents of the children or even caregivers. Know whom your children are keeping company with. Know the type of families those children come from. It's very important as a parent to be aware of this. Help your child to discover his or her interest and strength. Help them to understand themselves. 4, it's important to help them to develop self-confidence. Sometimes some children, they are going to be influenced by their peers because of low self-esteem. But if they develop self-confidence, they are going to withstand the peer pressure and say, no, I'm not going to do that. And they won't care about social acceptance. Give your children an opportunity to develop their talents. It's also important to assist your child in managing social pressures and anxiety. Help them when they come and share how they are being affected. Try to help them how they can withstand the social pressure. Don't try to tell them that they are weak. Don't try to show them how they can also be fighting back. No. Try to tell them how they can withstand peer pressure positively. It's also important to encourage your child to have independent thinking. Let your children know you also respect their views, you respect their thinking, and with that, it's also going to help them to prepare for themselves for the world outside, so that when they come to peer pressure, they are going to withstand. It's also important to teach your children skills to say no if need be. It's important. Saying no does not mean that you're negative. You can say no, but with a smile. And finally, show empathy to your child. When your child or children are undergoing serious stress and anxiety because of social pressure, put yourself in their shoes and understand them and help them accordingly. Thank you very much. I am Mutare Kwaru, a family therapist and a relationship coach. I hope this is going to help the parents to prepare their children, even for who are undergoing social pressure, peer pressure, and then they are going to be able to adjust accordingly. For those who have subscribed to my channel, Moment with Kwaru, it's a thumb up. For those who haven't, I would encourage you to do that so that you benefit from these topics. Thank you.